Hi, I'm Sheila, and today we're here at Arbor Valley Nursery, and we're going to be talking about a beginner's guide to getting started with landscape plants. The first crucial step when getting started with landscape plants is your planning and preparation. Start by determining the growing conditions. Assess any sunlight exposure, the type of soil you're working with, and moisture levels in your landscape, and select suitable plants to match those. Make sure you're choosing the right plants. Select plants that are known for adaptability, low maintenance, and resistance to various pests and disease pressures. Your next step will be to prepare the soil. Clean up any weeds, loosen the soil if necessary, and incorporate organic matter such as compost to improve your soil structure and add nutrients back into your soil. Once you've prepared the site, you're ready to plant. Start by digging the hole. Make a hole that is slightly wider and a little bit deeper than the root ball of the plant. Gently remove the plant from its container, place it in the hole that you've dug, and ensure that it sits at the same level that it was in the container. Next, you will backfill and compact the soil. Fill the hole with the soil, gently pressing it around the plant to remove any air pockets in the soil. Your next step will be to water. Make sure to water thoroughly. After planting, give the plant a deep irrigation to settle the soil around the roots. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Try to water plants deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Aim to water the entire root system and then let the plant dry out between watering. Be sure to adjust your watering frequency based on your weather conditions. Plants generally need more water in the summer when it's hot and dry. Another key factor for Colorado is to mulch. You're going to want to spread a layer of organic mulch about 2 to 3 inches around the base of your plants. Mulch helps to retain moisture in the soil, keeps weeds at bay, and also moderates the soil temperature. After your plant is planted, the next step will be properly maintaining it. Make sure to regularly prune your plants, removing any dead, damaged, or overgrown branches. Pruning also helps maintain the shape of the plant and promotes healthy growth. If needed, apply a slow-release balanced fertilizer in the spring according to the specific requirements of the plant. Avoid over-fertilizing as it can harm the plants. Be sure to follow the directions on the package. Regularly monitor your plants for signs of pests or diseases and take action as needed. Inspect leaves, stems, as well as flowers for any abnormalities. Here are some examples of easy landscape plants for beginners, as well as information about basic maintenance. Daylilies, or Hemorrhacalis, are perennial plants with colorful flowers that come in various heights as well as colors, including yellow, red, and orange. They are adaptable to various soil types, and they only require moderate water. You can deadhead or remove any spent flowers to encourage more blooms. Another beginner plant is a knockout rose. These low-maintenance shrub roses perform very well in our climate here in Colorado. They offer continuous blooms throughout the entire growing season, and they prefer full sun with regular water. Prune these in early spring to remove any dead wood and to shape the plant appropriately. Salvia is a versatile perennial that attracts pollinators and comes in various colors such as purple and white. These plants thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. You can remove any dead flowers and cut back the plants in late fall or early spring. Sedums are a type of succulent perennial that is known for drought tolerance and low maintenance requirements. These come in different forms, colors, and sizes. Plant sedums in well-drained soil and provide occasional watering if the climate is dry. Another great selection for beginner landscapers are ornamental grasses. These come in various genera, including Karl Forster feather reed grass and fountain grass. These plants can add texture, movement, and low maintenance beauty to your landscape. They generally prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Be sure to cut back grasses in late winter or early spring to encourage new growth. These plants generally require less maintenance and are a little bit more forgiving in your landscape. As you begin to become more comfortable with landscape plants, you can incorporate new varieties and experiment with more difficult to care for plants. Be sure to consider growing conditions and specific care requirements for each plant.